Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm cooking a dish that was requested from one of my subscribers, Vietnamese style prawns in Roe sauce. So let's review the ingredients. I have headless tiger prawns, green onions, garlic ginger, chili Thai peppers, shallots, lime juice, fish sauce, black pepper, seasoning salt mix, chicken broth, and I'm using Ocean Champ shrimp paste with bean oil. And this is seasoned with garlic, pepper, soy, and some other ingredients. And it has a nice creamy, savory, briny flavor. And shrimp roe is not shrimp eggs. It's the digestive organs of the shellfish. And normally this dish would be made with the jumbo freshwater river prawns that you can find in the freezer section of the Asian market. It comes in like a 2-pound box, and it's a little bit pricey. It's about $22 to $25. So if that's within your budget, by all means use that. And for the prep, let's start with the prawns. They've already been deveined, so we need to peel it. So we remove the shell and the legs. And we'll keep the tail on. And I like to just butterfly it a little more so it'll curl up. Okay, so that's done. Put this aside. I'm going to wash up and we can proceed with the rest of the prep. Okay, next let's slice up the shallots. Cut into thin slices. Mince the green onions. Slice the chili peppers. We'll seed it. And if you like it spicier, you can keep the seeds on. We'll mince ginger and garlic. Just mixing them together. Okay, that's done. Okay, so now all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have my pan set at medium-high heat. We'll add oil. And the first thing we're going to do is cook the prawns. We'll cook them for about 30 seconds on each side. Flip it over. And that looks really good already. So 30 seconds on the other side. And we don't want to cook them all the way through. Okay, remove it from the pan. Okay, gave the pan a quick wash and rinse. We'll dry it out. Pan is still set at medium-high heat. So let's add oil. Add the shallots. Add the ginger and garlic and the peppers. Cook this until this becomes aromatic. Add the shrimp paste. Add a little bit of pepper. Seasoning, salt mix. Oh, and this smells really good. Add the chicken broth, the fish sauce, the lime juice, and let this mixture come up to a boil. Give this a taste and adjust the seasoning. That's really good. So now, return the shrimp. Toss. And turn the heat back down to medium. And let this simmer for about 5 minutes. And this looks so good. And for the last minute of cooking, turn the heat up to high. We want to reduce the sauce a bit. And this smells so good. Okay, so now we're going to add the green onions. Give it a quick toss. And this is done. Let's plate this. And here we have a super delicious plate of prawns in Roe sauce. It has a rich, creamy, savory, briny flavor with a hint of spiciness. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shallot likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes shrimp. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.